Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel St. Wilfred College of Arts, Commerce and Science, Panvel. Myself, Assistant Professor Anjali Patil, Faculty of St. Wilfred College of Arts, Commerce and Science. So today we are going to discuss about our new topic, article. So what do you mean by article? An article is a word used to modify a noun which is a person, place, object, or idea. Technically, an article is an adjective which is any word that modifies a noun. Here is example. If I say, let's read the book, I mean specific book. If I say, let's read a book, I mean any book rather than a specific book. It means articles have two parts, that is definite article and indefinite article. Definite article is the and indefinite article are a or an. So a and an and the are called articles. Which are the three articles? A and the. That three are our articles. So a and an are called indefinite articles and the is called definite article. The boy is a friend. So the indicate definite article and a indicate indefinite article. So a is used before the word beginning with consonant like a, a girl, a map, a lion, a table, a friend, etc. So now we are going to discuss about definite article. The use with noun to indicate specific people, places, or things. Example, I want the red apple. In this sentence, we can say which apple? The red apple. It means the indicate definite article. Now here is the one example. I saw the elephant at the zoo. Here we're talking about a specific noun. Probably there is only one elephant at the zoo. Now indefinite article a and an. Use with noun to indicate non-specific people, places or things. Okay. So a is used before word beginning with consonant and an is used before words beginning with the vowel or with the letter H which is not sounded. Okay. So our first example is CPEC is an excellent project. So here you can see we use and. Why? Because a E is what? E is vowel. So an is used before the words beginning with a vowel. In English, we have five vowels. Which are they? A, E, I, O, U. Okay. So here E is one vowel. That's why we use and. Now here is the one example. When I was at the zoo, I saw an elephant. Here we are talking about a single non-specific thing, in this case an elephant. There are probably several elephants at the zoo, but there's only one we are talking about here. Now, indefinite article a and an. Here is the use, here is the example. First, to refer to a kind of or example of something, we use the article. Example, the mouse had a tiny nose. The elephant had a long trunk. It was a very strange car. With singular noun after the words what and such. What a shame! She is such a beautiful girl. After there is a book on the table. It means we use a and an. Here are the some examples. When we use a or an to refer to kind of or example of something. And second one, with the singular nouns after the word what and such. We use a or an. After there is, also we use a or an. Now, don't forget the, what do not forget the center, the top, the middle, the bottom, the left, the right, the end of, the beginning of, the same, the base, the worst, the sun, the moon, the world, the sky, the sea, the police, the fire bridge, the piano, the doctor. These are all are the example where we use the article. Before these words, we always have to use the article. Do not use the. अभी द कहाँ पर यूज नहीं करना है, ब्रेकफास्ट, लंच, डिनर, इनके बिफोर हमें द यूज नहीं करना है. हियर आर दी so many examples where we do not use the. So take the screenshot and read after lecture. Now omission of articles मतलब हमें कौन सी जगह है जहाँ पर हमें आर्टिकल्स यूज नहीं करने हैं. Some common types of noun that don't take an article, like name of languages and nationalities, we cannot use the article. Name of sports, before the sports name we not use article. Name of academic subject like mathematics, biology, history, computer science, we have to omission of articles. After that, before this exercise, I revise you uses of definite article and indefinite article. First, where we have to use indefinite article a and an. A is used before the word beginning with consonant. Word begin with the vowel symbol pronounced with the same as that of Y, like a university, a union, a unit, a European. In these words, we have to use a article and is used before words beginning with a vowel or with a letter H which is not sounded. It means an egg, an item, an umbrella, an apple. These are the example where we have to use an article. After that, it is also used before consonant beginning with the vowel sound, like NMP, NMA, NMLA, NSP, etc. Now, use of definite article the. So when we use definite article the, it defines, particularize or singles out, like shut the door, the ball on the table is red color, I lost the book which you had given me. The use in a superlative degree, like he is the best student in the class. India is one of the hottest country in the world. After that, the is used with the things which are only one in the world, like the sun, the moon, the north, the Himalayas. are the all example which are only one in the world. Now, second one is the use when one noun represents the whole class, like the horse is faithful animal. Here the word the is represent the whole class, like the lion is the king of animals. It means here the word the is indicate or represent the whole class of lion. The is used before the people like the English, the French, etc. The is used before the epic like the Vedas, the Bible, the Gita, etc. Now, after that, the omission of the article. When a noun is used in a general sense, we have to omission of the articles. Do not use an article before material nouns like water is the source of all life. Here water is the one material noun, and before that we do not use the any article. Do not use an article before collective noun like people, society, company. These all are the example of collective noun. And before of this collective noun, we cannot use the article. Do not use an article before plural nouns like children. Children is a plural noun. But before this word, we do not use or we cannot use the article. Do not use an article before languages like English, Hindi, Marathi. These all are the name of languages, and before these name, we do not use the article. Do not use an article before name of days, month, or season. It means before the name of days, we do not use the article, or before the name of month, we do not use any article. No article used before a common noun like friend, brother. These all are the example of common noun. And before these noun, we do not use any article. No article is used before the rank or a title. In this way, in today's lecture, we discuss about various example of articles. After that, here are one exercise for you. So correct answer are in a bold. I want an apple from that basket. Here is the word apple and the first word is a vowel, that is a A. So before any vowel we have to use and. That's why the answer is and. The church on the corner is a progressive. Here we are talking about a particular church. That's why we use the article. Miss Lin speaks Chinese. Before the word Chinese, there is no need of any article. I borrow a pencil from your pile of pencil and pens. So here the word pencil, it means any pencil. So here we are use a because it is a indefinite. One of the students said the professor is late today. Here we are talking about a particular professor who is late today. So that's why we have to use the article. Ellie likes to play volleyball. Before the name of any game, we do not use any article. So there is no article needed. I bought an umbrella to go out in the rain. Here is the one word which show vowel. That's why we use and before any vowel. My daughter is learning to play the violin at her school. Here is the word the article. Why? Because she is what is learning violin. That's why we use the definite article the. Please give me the cake that is one on the counter. Which cake she wants? Which is on the counter. That's why we use the. I live on a main street when I first came to town. Here, before any name of street, we no need to use article. In that way, here are the also some example. Albany is the capital of New York State. So name, before any state name, we not use any article. My husband family speak Polish. No article needed. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. Apple, A is a vowel, that's why we use an article. The ink in my pen is red. Which color? Red color. That's why we use the article because it is a definite. Our neighbors have a cat and a dog. In that way, in today's lecture, we discuss about article a and the and what is the uses of this article, and we also discuss some examples and some exercise on article. Here is also article exercise number 2. So correct answer are in a bold. A bingo game, an idiot. Why and because I is vowel, a good job, a rotten plum, a used fork, an uncle, a historian, an apple, a hare, and a artichoke, a horrible movie, an opera. Why? And because O is vowel, a fine opera, a television, an earthquake. Why? And because E is a vowel. In front of vowel, we have to use and in the front of consonant, we have to use a article. In that way, we can solve any exercise with the help of the article. And now here is the exercise number 4, like a table. Why? Because T is a consonant and before any consonant we have to use a article. Up stairway, U is a vowel, that's why we have to use an article. A paper clip, an animal, a useful feeling, and interesting. In that way we have to use a and an. That's our indefinite article. Thank you so much, student.